Kalabari people are very happy, and that's why you are seeing us here today. The truth about it, again, I will say again and again, he has been doing a lot for us. He has done a lot for us, and today you can see he has promised to do more. So we're so happy, and the only thing we owe him is the support, prayers, and all of that. That's what we owe him. You can see that today's solidarity visit, the women are more. They're in their lovely attire, and they look all beautiful because the governor is women-oriented. It's somebody who has the women at heart. And so the Kalabari women are here to tell him thank you. They have nothing else to tell him but to tell him thank you and to continue to pray for him. And the truth about the matter is the women of Rivers State are totally in support of this administration. You understand? And for any woman that is going astray, I do know that in no short time the woman will do a turn back, because you can see obviously Rivers women are united for sin, and that's it.
We are thankful to him, and we are happy that he has promised that look, that what he has done for us and what he's doing for us cannot be compared to the more that he's going to do for us. And you know what? We believe him, because whenever he says something, he does it. You know. So mark this. This is a government by the simple, for the simple, and by the simple. You know. So we're very happy with him. That's why we're here. The essence is that it's a solidarity visit. We are behind you. You have shown that you love us. We have shown that you love Rivers people. We have shown that you have Rivers people at heart. And you want to see that every Rivers man, every Rivers woman, every Rivers child has something to eat, has a book to read, has a job, you know, and is happy. If that is what you stand for, then the people of Rivers State stand with you from now and forever.
Very truly, I am fully in support of what we, the entire Kalabari people, have come here to do. If I wasn't in support, I wouldn't have been here. Looking at the legacy projects that the governor has lavished in the entire Kalabari region, it is very, very expedient that we as a people come together to strengthen him, so as for him to continue to deliver the dividends of democracy to the people of Kalabari land and, of course, the state at large. I don't know if there are things more that you want me to talk about it, but me, who is known to be one of the contestants, I am of a different party, but I have decided to support this governor to continue to give us this credibility in governance. Because what everybody wants is sincerity in leadership, trust for someone whom you entrust leadership to. Unlike others who will be autocratic, who will see themselves as tyrants that will scare the people who comes around them. But this leader has decided to run an all-inclusive government. And this is what we want. Developing the people without rancor, without sentiment, without any problem at all.